Oh, David, it is so wonderful to see your bright, shining face again. Welcome. Welcome back to our beautiful space of learning.
I am more than ready, Emily. Your energy is so contagious. I have been thinking a lot about two specific words lately, and I have been so excited to ask you about them.
Oh, tell me, what words have captured your curious mind today?
It is make and create. They seem so similar, yet they feel different in my heart when I say them. I want to know how to use them with confidence.
What a magnificent observation. You are exactly right. They are like two different colors on an artist's palette. Let us start with our everyday hero, the word make.
Intrigued. An everyday hero? I love that. Does that mean we use it for common, physical things?
Precisely. Think of make as the word for building, producing, or manufacturing. We make a cup of coffee, we make the bed in the morning, and we make a delicious sandwich for lunch.
Oh, I see. So if I am using my hands to put things together in a normal routine, I am making something?
Yes, exactly. You make a phone call, or you make a mistake, and mistakes are just beautiful opportunities to learn. But then, there is the word create. Create. It sounds so much more powerful, like magic. It is magic, David. We use create when we bring something into existence that is unique, artistic, or born from our very own imagination. You don't just make a masterpiece, you create one.
That is incredible. So a chef might make dinner every night, but a world-class chef creates a brand new signature dish.
Expressively. Brilliant. You have captured the soul of the word. Create implies a sense of wonder and originality. An author creates a world inside a book. An entrepreneur creates a new business from a single dream.
It feels like create is used for things that didn't exist before in that specific way. It feels more emotional.
Encouragingly. You are so right, David. I am so proud of your intuition. Think of it this way. You make a choice, but you create a beautiful life. Can you feel the difference?
I can. One feels like a task, and the other feels like a journey. Can I say that I am creating a poem?
Exclaiming. Oh, absolutely. Because that poem comes from your unique spirit. No one else could write it exactly like you. You are creating something that the world has never seen.
Laughing with delight. This makes me so happy. But wait, what about making friends? Why don't we say creating friends?
Gently. That is a wonderful question. English has these lovely little traditions. We say make friends because it is a process of building a connection over time. It is a shared action.
I see. It's like building a bridge together.
Warmly. Exactly. Now, David, imagine you are in your garden. If you plant flowers in a row, you are making a garden. But if you design a landscape that looks like a painting, what are you doing? Then I am creating a sanctuary. I am creating a piece of living art. Clapping her hands. Yes, yes, 1,000 times yes. Your understanding is just breathtaking today. Humbly, thank you, Emily. Your encouragement makes me feel like I can create a whole new version of myself in English. And you are, David. Every time you speak, you are not just making sentences. You are creating a bridge between your heart and the world.
Inspired. That is so motivating. I used to be afraid of using the wrong word, but now I feel like I can choose the word that fits my feeling.
With dramatic warmth. Never fear the words, my friend. They are your friends. Use make for the physical world and create for the world of your imagination.
Smiling. I think I will go make some notes about this so I can create a great conversation with my friends later.
Beaming. That is the perfect way to use both. You are truly a star student. I am so incredibly proud of your progress.
Warmly. Thank you, Emily. This lesson was exactly what I needed. I feel so much more confident now.
Closing with radiance. Go forth and be bold, David. Create something beautiful today. And remember, I am always here cheering for you. Welcome, welcome, my dear David. Oh, I am so thrilled you are here today. Can you feel the energy in the air? Today, we are going to dive into the beautiful, shimmering soul of the English language.
Oh, Emily, your energy is absolutely infectious. I have been thinking about this all morning. I always hear these two words, make and create, and I feel like they are sisters, but they have such different hearts. Can we finally uncover their secrets?
What a poetic way to put it. They are like sisters. You see, David, the word make is our sturdy, reliable friend. We use it when we talk about producing something physical, or an action, or even a sound. Think of it as the doing word.
The doing word. Oh, like when I say, I am going to make a cup of tea, or I need to make a phone call. It feels very practical. Is that right?
Exactly. Spot on. When you make something, you are often following a process. You make a sandwich, you make your bed, which I hope you did this morning, and you make a mess. It's about the tangible result.
I definitely made a mess in the kitchen this morning. But Emily, what about create? When I hear that word, I feel something deeper. It feels like magic is happening.
In a hushed, reverent tone. Oh, David, you have such a beautiful intuition. Create is indeed where the magic lives. We use create when we talk about bringing something into existence that didn't exist before. It comes from the imagination, from the spirit.
So a baker makes bread, but an artist creates a masterpiece. Can you imagine? One is about the ingredients, and the other is about the soul?
Dramatic pause, then bursting with praise. That is just incredible. Yes, you've captured it perfectly. While you can make a drawing, when you say you create a world through your art, you are telling the listener that there is deep meaning and invention behind it. Enthusiastically, that reminds me of something I read. A scientist creates a new theory. They didn't just make it like a piece of toast. They birthed a brand new idea. It's so powerful. Warmly, it is deeply powerful. And think about this. We often use create for feelings and atmospheres. You can create a warm environment in your home or create an opportunity for someone you love. Softly and thoughtfully. To create an opportunity? That sounds like a gift. Emily, does this mean make is always simple and create is always grand? With a gentle, knowing smile. Not necessarily, my dear student. Sometimes we make a choice, and that choice can change our entire lives. But make is more common in daily speech. Create is our more formal, more elegant cousin. Enthusiastically, I see. So if I am at work, I might say we need to create a new strategy to sound more professional and visionary. Beaming with pride. Brilliant. You are learning so fast it warms my heart. Using create in a professional setting shows that you are a person of vision and ideas. It adds a layer of sophistication to your English. But wait, I have a question. What about making a mistake? We don't create a mistake, do we? Laughing warmly. Oh, what a fantastic observation. No, we always make a mistake. It's a fixed expression. Even though a mistake might be new, we keep it simple with make. It's one of those little quirks that makes English so much fun. With an exciting grin, it really is fun. I feel like I'm not just learning words, I'm learning how to paint with my voice. I want to create a beautiful life using the words I make every day. With deep emotion and dramatic warmth. Oh, David, that was absolutely beautiful. Truly, you are not just a student, you are a communicator of the heart. Gratefully. Thank you, Emily. Your encouragement makes me want to study even harder. I feel so much more confident now. With high energy and a final encouraging gesture. And you should be. Remember, every time you speak, you are creating a connection. Go out there and make something wonderful happen today. With a joyous wave. I will. I'm going to go create some music on my guitar right now. Thank you, Emily. Warmly. Goodbye, David. Keep shining your light.